Hello! In this video, we will demonstrate how the version control functionality works. With the MRPeasy Enterprise Edition, you can track revisions to your items, as well as changes made to your bills of materials and routings. Each update to a BOM or a routing creates a new version of the document. On the BOM and routing details pages, you will find the version history, which includes the creation date, notes, and user information. It is possible to view a PDF of a previous version, restore a previous version of the BOM or the routing, and even delete a previous version from the history. The latest revision number of an item can be stored on the item details page under the revision field. When creating a manufacturing or purchase order, the revision is automatically copied from the item to the order. This revision is also saved in the target stock lot details. The version control functionality can be enabled in the section Settings, System Settings, Enterprise Functions, Version Control System. In this video, we have described how the version control functionality works. To learn more about MRPeasy, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.